Hey guys, let's make some breakfast today. Sounds good, huh? Becki-licious here. Today I thought we would make amazing French toast. It's my absolute favorite breakfast actually is French toast. And it's been a long time since I've made it, so come on, let's get started. I've already got my griddle heating up just a little bit. We're gonna start getting our eggs put in here. And as you can see, my helper's over there behind me, of course, making sure I do everything properly. Okay, we're going to add just a splash of milk. Gotta have a little bit of vanilla in there. Gots to. All right. Get this all whipped up, ready to go. Because there's, like I said, I love me some French toast. Yum, yum. All right. And of course, you have to have the proper bread with your French toast. So you got to have the nice and thick Texas toast. All righty. Let's get this started. Here we go. A little bit of Pam on there. Make sure this is all nice and coated perfectly. There we go. One. This will be a nice big order. So there's plenty. Two. And last but not least. There we go. Last one. Perfection. All right, let's flip these puppies over once and just kind of check and see how they're coming along. Oh, they're getting there. A little bit of brown going on. That's the thing with French toast. You got to make sure it is cooked nicely. So while we're waiting for that, it's a great time always to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Click on that link tree for some other fun stuff. You know, the stuff that I appreciate very, very much. Because I don't know about you guys, I really do have a good time making these videos. I've got my pups with me, and we get to experiment with stuff. We get to make stuff that I've made dozens and dozens of times. I get people that ask me questions about certain recipes, which I absolutely love. I love giving you my thoughts or telling you what I did if you missed something. So keep that coming. That's what I love. All right, let's check these, see how they're coming along. Ooh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. It's looking good. It's looking good. And aren't you being? Yes. She being my good girl. Thanks for the help. All right, let's get these pulled off of the grill and get them cut. And we are going to plate up because we want this looking beautiful, of course, because everything that we do on here, we want it to be pretty. We're all about the pretty. Huh, Chloe? Chloe agrees. We're all about the pretty. Of course, she's all about the pretty when it involves her getting food. Okay, so we got these all done. Ooh, nice and hot. Now we are going to pop over and grab our bacon because you can't have French toast without some bacon, right? So let's get us a couple of slices of bacon. One on each side. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Look at that. First off, a little bit of powdered sugar. Because yum. And then, hello, cherries. Gotta have that nice little yumminess right on top. Look at that. Tell me that is not a breakfast to die for. Looks good, doesn't it? So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen with me. I hope you guys had fun. I always do. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.